Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss chapter respiration in plants and animals, and we will discuss only few questions of that. If you want detailed explanation of this chapter, you can just comment in the comment box. So let's get started. First question is the process of complete breakdown of glucose to produce energy is called respiration. Okay, when we are consuming food and it is digested, that is known as digestion. But when we are getting energy, so first glucose must be broken down and it must be oxidized, okay, and then we can get the energy, and this process is known as respiration. Breathing is just a part of respiration. Breathing does not mean complete respiration, okay. Breathing is just inhaling and exhaling the air. So the second question is glucose is oxidized to produce alcohol during. Okay, there are two types of respiration in our body. One is aerobic respiration and second is anaerobic respiration. Okay, aerobic respiration which is done in the presence of oxygen. Anaerobic respiration is done in absence of oxygen. Anaerobic respiration is usual in the yeast, but aerobic respiration is found in the mammals or higher order plants. Okay. So glucose, the question is the glucose is oxidized to produce alcohol during. So alcohol is formed when there is a anaerobic respiration. So your option would be anaerobic respiration. C question is at the time of exhalation the diaphragm. So there is a difference between the in the position of diaphragm during exhalation and during inhalation. When we are inhaling, so there is a requirement of larger space so that lungs can expand, okay, वो फैल सकें, उसके लिए डायफ्राम को नीचे जाना होता है. सो इनहेलिंग में डायफ्राम की पोजीशन डाउनवर्ड होती है और एक्सलेशन के टाइम पर लंग्स पर प्रेशर डालने के लिए, लंग्स को ऊपर मूव करने के लिए जो डायफ्राम है वो अपवर्ड मूव करता है, ओके. सो ड्यूरिंग exhalation diaphragm will be upward and during inhalation diaphragm will be downward, okay. So answer would be for this question A, means first moves upwards. D question is exchange of gases in insects takes place through. So in insects gases, the exchange of gases is done through spiracles, okay, because in insects alveoli, bronchioles and gills are completely absent. Only the spiracles are present, which are the hollow opening through which insects can exchange the gases. So the question number E is fish exchange gases through. So fish are having gills and gills are the organs through which fish can exchange the gases. Lungs are present in the mammals. Stomata is present in the plants, okay. So gills are the organs which are present in the fish, which help fish to exchange the gases in the water. Next question is the intercostal muscles between the ribs and diaphragm control. What they are controlling? Breathing, transportation of food, circulation of blood or excretion. Obviously intercostal muscles are controlling the breathing process, okay. G, the small air sacs in the lungs are called the very minute air sacs, the spaces in which air can be filled, they are known as alveoli, okay. बहुत छोटे छोटे minute बैग जैसे स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं हमारे लंग्स में, जिनमें हवा भर जाती है और उसके बाद में उनका साइज एक्सटेंड हो जाता है, थोड़ा बढ़ जाता है, okay. And these sacs like structures are known as alveoli. H is the question, plants take in and give out gases from the air through. So plants are having stomata through which plants can exchange the gases, means they can take air inside and they can give the air or the gases outside. So the answer is stomata. Now these are the fill in the blanks. First is the dash muscles are present between the ribs. So intercostal muscles are present between the ribs which are controlling the breathing process. B is the microscopic air sacs in the lungs are called, they are called alveoli. C is the chemical breakdown of food to release energy is called, that is known as respiration. D is dash does not require oxygen. So obviously anaerobic respiration or anaerobic respiration does not require oxygen. Now E is breathing out is also called, what we call breathing out means exhalation. F dash is a sheet of muscle present below the lungs, so that is diaphragm. G is dash respiration produces alcohol. So anaerobic respiration is there in which alcohol is produced. H, the trachea divides into two branches called, trachea is further dividing into beta bronchi and bronchi. When it is divided into two bronchi, these each of the bronchi is dividing into bronchioles. 3 means tertiary branches are there, 3 branches are there. So the trachea divides into 2 branches called bronchi. And if further question is asked that what are the further branches of bronchi are called, they are known as bronchioles. Now I is the dash is the common passage for food and air. So pharynx is the part of our respiratory system that is a common passage for the food and air, where your food pipe and your windpipe are meeting together, that is pharynx. The last question is the voice box is also called the, that is larynx. Okay, the voice box in our body is called beta larynx. I hope you like this, and if you want further explanation for this chapter, you can comment in the comment section. Okay, thank you very much.